Hi, welcome to Summit Lakes. I'm Julie Wingert. I'm going to be your son or daughter's reading lab teacher this year. Some of your kids I know from last year, and I can't wait to see them again. And some of them I haven't met yet, and I'm excited to meet them. You're going to find out a little bit about me, what I believe, some class information, and how we can stay in touch. This is my 29th year of teaching in the Lee Summit School District. I taught elementary for 12 years, ELA for 8 years, and this will be my 5th year as the reading specialist here. I have bachelor's degrees from Missouri State University in early childhood and elementary education 1 through 8. I have a master's in elementary administration and a certification in reading K-12 from the University of Central Missouri. What I love to do is work with teens. I love to read. Which seems like I should love to read, but I never liked to read until after college, and I struggled in school, which is where my passion for my job comes. I love to scrapbook, play cards, play board games, and hang out with my family. Here's my family. Monica on the top still lives at home with us. Carly down below is married to Shane, and I have a new grandbaby named Milo. I'll just let you read a little bit about them off to the right. Here's a few more pictures. The dog belongs to Shane and Carly and Milo, that's Finn. And then Martha, the cat, is down below with Monica. A few more. Here's my belief statements in no particular order. I believe kids don't care what I know until they know that I care. And I can promise you that I will take care of your kids this year. I will help them in whatever way I can, in whatever they need. I believe all students can and want to learn. I believe students will read when they know someone's monitoring their progress and when they like what they're reading. I believe reading is a key component to success in life. Critical thinking and student engagement leads to true learning. I believe kids will work when they see a purpose. I believe everyone deserves to be respected, and that students will benefit from learning study and test-taking strategies. I also believe parent-teacher communication is important. Here are the learning categories that you'll see in the gradebook this year, and you'll be hearing a lot more from me, so I won't go into them too much, but stamina, staying focused, engaged in daily reading. We'll do a lot of reflecting on all of our assignments. Students will ask, what did I do well and what can I improve? We'll learn new vocabulary, and the importance of that in our reading skills. Comprehension will hit all the thinking strategies and spend a lot of time practicing those. Do a lot of independent reading. The more kids read, the better they'll get. And I like to use the analogy of sports and video games, that everything takes practice. We'll read every single day, and again, you'll hear more about that. I'll also have a participation and direction following grade that I included just for virtual and online learning. This is a little bit about grading, and again, you'll hear a little bit more about it, but you can see I'm going to be giving them constant feedback through the assignments, back and forth, talking and meeting with them daily and checking and conferencing with them weekly. A grade that goes in the grade book it will be on a 0 to 10 scale for the learning activities, and a 0 to 5 scale for participation, completion, and or direction following. And I'll explain all that to students for every single assignment. As far as student expectations, I just really expect kids to show up to class every single day. We'll spend the first 10 minutes of class. First week we'll do get to know you activities and understanding everything. After that, we'll be reading for 10 minutes every day, then 15 minutes, and then 20. And we're just going to do that together so that I can monitor, and before long I will be able to conference with them one-on-one during that time. For now, I just want to read with them, and then I'll do my conferencing at a different time with them. So they'll just show up to class first day with a Google Meet link in Schoology announcements. And the code was emailed to students. I'll explain directions at the beginning of each class and provide a daily video for anyone who has to miss class. I will count students absent unless I know for some reason that they can't come. So just make sure that your child lets me know if he or she can't come for any reason, and I won't mark him absent, him or her absent. If for some reason Schoology or Google Meet shuts down, look for an email from me and don't panic. So I'll just email everything out and we'll pick it up the next day. Students need to pay attention to assignments in Schoology and check email daily. I know all the teachers are going to be going over Schoology for students. My weekly assignments will be linked in Schoology, and the folders will be arranged by week, Tuesday through Tuesday. On Wednesdays, I'll conference with every single student that I didn't get to throughout the week, and I'll also assist anyone who's struggling with any skill or task. And students can email me all throughout the day, and I will get back to them in any time I have between classes. They'll also be asked to complete a reading update daily, and I'll be grading those on Wednesday. That probably won't start for at least a week until we get books in every kid's hands. So again, you'll be hearing from me again. I also would like students to keep track of assignments using their student planner. And there is my email address, and you can email me at any time. Thank you very much. It was great to meet you. And again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you. Bye-bye.